Did your smartphone recently start blaring with an unusual emergency alert extreme notification? If yes, you were not alone. This sudden burst of noise was a part of a Pan-India alert system test conducted by the Department of Telecommunication in India. This sample testing message was sent to Android and iOS users across the country, complete with a loud buzzer-like sound. It also made its way to smartwatches, including the Apple Watch Ultra. But what makes this alert system unique? It's designed to override silent mode on smartphones. However, it's worth mentioning that not all users receive the message with a loud sound or vibration. The rationale behind this alert system is to broadcast information during real emergency situations. These could range from natural disasters such as floods, tsunamis, and earthquakes to landslides. In essence, this alert system aims to bolster emergency preparedness and response time, ensuring that crucial information reaches the maximum number of people in the shortest possible time. Since July, the Department of Telecommunications has been collaborating with the National Disaster Management Authority to create an extensive broadcast network for emergency preparedness. The recent alert was a crucial test of this system, gauging its effectiveness and reach. In a world where the unexpected can happen at any moment, it's comforting to know that systems are in place to alert us to potential dangers. This is just one example of how technology is playing an increasingly important role in our safety and well-being. To sum up, the recent Emergency Alert Extreme Notification was a test of a new Pan-India alert system. This system, a collaborative effort between the Department of Telecommunications and the National Disaster Management Authority, is designed to disseminate crucial information during emergencies, aiming to enhance our preparedness and response times.